Auto Show on now through the 29th. And Dennis, people can celebrate because if they thought they couldn't afford an electric car, there's actually a great incentive.
Absolutely. There's two kinds of incentives now. One is the government Clean Energy Vehicle Program. We can get incentive up to $5,000 to buy an electric vehicle, as well as if you happen to have an older vehicle and you want to scrap that vehicle and buy an electric vehicle, then the BC Scrap It program offers you $3,000 as well. So you have a total incentive of about $8,000. So that's a great happy birthday present for people.
Yeah, and okay. Not only an incentive because the dollar-wise, but actually the investment-wise with respect to how long these cars can last.
Exactly. In a way, by buying an electric vehicle, you're prepaying for your fuel because the cost of electricity costs a lot less than gasoline. So you can go a long ways on electric vehicles, and they have a long lifetime as well, which is really good for the consumer because these vehicles are going to last a long time. And as people around Vancouver area know that Prius taxis have been on the road for a long time. I was on a cab the other day. I've had 1 million kilometers on it. So there's a lot of durability in this technology.
Well, I know Jody Vance is a fan of the Prius, and just like plugging in your phone at night, just plug in your car. We got more coming up for the Vancouver International Auto Show coming up at about 8:45, guys. You know, I never thought I'd come to the Vancouver International Auto Show and have to experience what it might be like to be 80 years old, Greg, or aching and paining, or even having Parkinson's. How does this all tie into cars?
Here at Ford, we use what we call wearable technology in our ergonomics department and our human factors department to try and engineer vehicles that what we call inclusive design. So we're designing vehicles that allow 95 to 97
Auto Show on now through the 29th. And Dennis, people can celebrate because if they thought they couldn't afford an electric